Look at this puddle. They're gonna get us. Ah! Oh, you gotta put it in the bag.
It's in the bag. I put it in the bag and I just took it.
Alright, alright.
Okay,
So what's going on, Juana?
Oh, I just brought you some.
Ooh! Thank you!
You're welcome.
Ooh. Thank you very much. Alright, so we just showed up at Reunion Tower. Check it out. Thank you. What's in there? What's in there?
Merchandise.
Your bag. Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay,
Make
go.
sure you get me.
Don't slip.
So Juana, how was your day so far?
It was a bit uneventful.
Wet?
A little wet.
A little wet.
Every day.
Yeah. What's going on here, Juana? Gotta dry your shoes.
I'm learning my lesson.
Yeah. Well, that's one way to do it. That's one way to dry your shoes.